So over here you can see that I have a bunch of images, like I got this DNZ file right here, and as soon as I click it you can see that I get a preview instantly and I can zoom in. That is because this is all being stored in cache memory right here. And as I click, you can see that I actually can go around and see all of the previews right here quite easily. So this is all stored in cache. And let's say you want to go ahead and manage out the cache that you have, then you can go around onto the tools menu and then go to cache right here. So you can see that pairs cache for folder images is an option, and as I were to actually go around, here it says the cache thumbnail for the selected folder will be deleted and do you want to continue? Then what I can simply do is I can go ahead and then press yes, and all the cache which is actually saved for this particular folder is deleted right here and the hard disk space clears up. But what you can also do is, so if you were to go around and click right here, then it actually takes some time to load, as you can see right here, because it hasn't been cached. But once you go around over here again, now you can see that it's stored in the cache memory again once more as you access out the images right here. So you can see that it did take a bit of time to load, but as soon as I go around, now you can see that everything has been stored in cache again. If you want to clear it out, then you can simply go around and press the cache for folder images, then it simply deletes out the cache for that particular folder once more. And that is how you can purge the cache memory, that is delete cache associated with a particular folder inside of Adobe Bridge. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.